हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेरी वॉर्म वेलकम टू इजी जीएसटी फॉर यू। एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चेंज फॉर composition taxable persons, rather two changes which have been effected through notification 11 and 12 of Central Tax 2022. The important both are relaxation in certain form. So first relaxation is related to the filing of GSTR 4, which is the annual return for the composition taxable person for the financial year 21-22. The last date to file such return is 30th April 2022. So earlier government has given a relaxation related to the late fees for filing of such annual returns after 30th April, which was the last date. So that last date is now extended further up to 28th of July. So 28 till 28th July 2022 composition taxable persons के जो annual return है GSTR 4 for the financial year 21-22 कोई late fees नहीं charge होगी. तो this is a very important change as far as annual return of 21-22 is concerned. दूसरा जो बदलाव है, सॉर्ट ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन है फॉर कॉम्पोजिशन टैक्सेबल पर्सन्स, वो है रिलेटेड टू CMP 08, विच इज द क्वार्टरली पेमेंट कम रिटर्न विच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी फाइल्ड. तो फॉर फर्स्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ 22-23, दैट इज अप्रैल टू जून 22, द लास्ट डेट फॉर फाइलिंग ऑफ CMP 08 was 18th July, that is tomorrow 2022, is further extended up to 31st July 2022. So there is some further relaxation given to the composition taxable persons for filing CMP 08 for the quarter ending June 2022. तो ये दो बदलाव है composition taxable persons के related, जो recently through notification 11 and 12 of Central Tax 2022 से effective किए हुए हैं. So that was it from my side on composition taxable persons relaxations given. Thank you so much.